Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiffany and I am so happy to have you joining me on this beautiful day. In today's video, we are decorating my coffee bar for spring. I just finished deep cleaning this area and organizing the drawers. You would have already seen that video before this one, but I was excited to have it clean and organized, and I figured now was a better time than ever to get it decorated for the warmer weather. I'm starting off by taking everything off of my open shelves so that I can redecorate these. And I'm starting with this beautiful terracotta planter that I redid last year. It's got this beautiful real plant inside. I love to use real plants whenever I can, and I just love the cottage feel that this terracotta plant or pot brings to my coffee bar. I'm also going to be using this beautiful chippy cutting board that I picked up at a local antique shop. It has been living in my kitchen right next to my stove, but I just thought this would look really beautiful next to this distressed terracotta pot. It looks so pretty, especially against that shiplap. I'm also going to bring in this cute little pitcher. This is actually from IKEA. I've had this for many years. And these are some faux florals I picked up at Michael's last year. And I just think that they're perfect for this spring. And finally, we're going to top it off with this beautiful little bunny from the Target Dollar Spot last year. Moving to the other side, I'm again taking down all of the decor off of this open shelf. These shelves my husband and I made, they're super simple. We bought the brackets at Home Depot and then just bought some wood and I stained it, and it's just so simple, like nothing more than that. I am moving over this beautiful peperomia plant. I've got this adorable house planter that I picked up from Target last year in the dollar section, and I love the height that this plant brings, and that planter is just so cute. I also am putting back my Farmhouse plate from Hobby Lobby, and I'm tying in spring with this beautiful wooden bunny that I picked up at, I believe I picked that up at Target last year. Finally, I'm finishing off this shelf with this adorable little metal tricycle for that spring feel. I purchased these kitchen towels on Amazon. I was looking for that beautiful taupey brown color along with the buffalo check, just like what I have on my front porch. And I thought these were beautiful. So I'm actually going to be replacing the towel that I have here on this little tiny towel ladder or blanket ladder that I picked up at Hobby Lobby. I've had this now for about a year or so, and I think it's so cute. I love that the black brings in some dimension to the area, and then I can put some texture there as well. Now I'm using this sweet pitcher from Michael's, and I'm putting in some faux eucalyptus, and I layered that on top of a miniature cutting board that I picked up at Target last year. work on my coffee area, I recently added this beautiful tray underneath my coffee pot or my Keurig right there, and I've got this gorgeous picture from Target. It's from the Magnolia line this year for spring, and it does have real eucalyptus in it. It is drying, but it still looks absolutely gorgeous, so I am leaving that there. I picked up these 2 new glass jars from Amazon. I loved the detail on these, as well as the beautiful wooden lids. They've got a nice suction to them, so you can put things in them that you're worried will go bad if they don't have a good suction. And I think they're absolutely gorgeous. They're really substantial, they're nice and heavy. And my intention today is to put my collagen peptides into the larger glass jar, so that way I can keep it here next to the coffee, which I put this in my coffee every single morning instead of having to go to the cabinet to get it. I didn't want to have this bright blue canister here on my coffee bar, although that's perfectly fine too, but I thought that this would be a pretty and decorative way to display something I use every single day. And although I don't show it here on camera, I did end up using the smaller jar to put my gummy vitamins in, and I have that in the cabinet where I grab my coffee pot or my coffee mug from every day. So once I have the collagen peptides there in the jar, I'm just going to add that to the tray, as well as my sugar-free coffee syrup that I use in the morning. And now I've got all the things that I need that can be stored outside of the refrigerator right here next to the coffee bar. I also purchased these gorgeous glass coffee mugs from Amazon that came with these 4 beautiful gold stirs. I thought these were stunning. I've seen a lot of these in other videos or on Instagram or on Pinterest, and I just think that they're perfect for the spring. They add such a romantic touch to the coffee bar, and I think they're beautiful. Again, they're really substantial, they're nice and heavy, and I think they look beautiful hanging here from my coffee mug tree. I picked that up at Target several years ago. It is from the Magnolia line. It is a little broken, as you can see there, but it holds the coffee mugs perfectly fine, and I think it looks gorgeous. Another item from the Magnolia line or the Hearth and Hand, line at Target by Joanna Gaines is this beautiful little creamer pitcher that I'm using to hold those stirring spoons, and I think it's absolutely beautiful. And that, my friends, brings us to the end of this coffee bar spring refresh. I love the way this turned out. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. It's fresh and bright and sweet for spring and ready for the warmer weather. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up, and I'd love to have you subscribe and come back for more. I post new videos every Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday, and hopefully I'll be able to see you in the very next one. Take care, my friends.